The X-ray search engine, I'm sure you've heard of it. We launched it last year at the National Sales Meeting 2017. It was really a start to a big beginning of differentiating and really creating service beyond capital, as I said. An X-ray search engine is really like Google, as you saw in part of the video, and we'll be putting out separate clips of this video so that you can share the short clips of just X-ray search engine as well. And I'm going to show you an example of it live on X-ray search engine, by the way. Last month and a half or two, Ashley from our marketing team has spent a lot of time building the database and adding the Spine version 2, V2 system into it. So a lot of work has been put into upgrading that system to reflect the brand new system in it. So now let's take a quick look at the example. Let's go to, in my case, I'm using the web browser, but obviously you can use this on your mobile phones as well. In this case, I searched the word TSRH, which is a Medtronic example. And in this example, you can see that once we typed in TSRH and press the search button, you'll see that you now see Spine V1 and Spine V2. You'll see the description. You'll see Shukla Medical Part Number, which now used to be MBT. Now it's SDR, stands for Shukla Driver. It now has the new location and the new system. And now we also added a brand new feature that didn't exist at least till this morning, is that we hyperlinked each of these systems. So when you click on the hyperlink, it takes you right to the system page. So if you had searched something on the IM Nail, it'll load the IM Nail page on Shukla Medical. If you obviously now search the spine system, it'll take you straight to the spine system page where you can quickly then get to the brochures, the video, the press releases. You can also do that obviously in the X Drive as well, which is a central place for all of our marketing collateral. And also this feature that you may or may not be familiar that we launched really at NAS is we have been spending a lot of hours collecting X-rays that are publicly available and matching it to the system names. So let's click on this. This really, when you click on more info, hyperlink, it'll take you to Google Drive, which is just the back end of it, where you can see the data we've loaded into it. And what have we loaded? We loaded X-rays of other patients that have had Medtronic TSRH in them. We've loaded videos actually also for what we find on YouTube, for example. If you find a YouTube video of a surgeon or someone explaining what TSRH does, we download it and we put it on here as well. We downloaded surgical technique guides from their website or publicly available, so you can then share that with the surgeon to say, hey, surgeon, you have the TSRH coming up. Please take a look at this hyperlink. It has everything you need to know about the implant. So again, a huge improvement. Obviously, this is publicly available data, but having it all in one place is extremely powerful for the X-ray search engine. So please keep that in mind. Use this often. Share the link. As you know, the link expires every 24 hours, but you can share it today and it'll expire tomorrow, but they'll be coming back to you for more. And again, now it has comparison between the first version of Spine and second version of Spine as well.